Ready for dictation. Goodwill is the salesman's most valued asset and one which should be safeguarded at all times. When the young man starts his career of selling, he starts from zero. He must earn his goodwill over a period of years. Once he has earned goodwill, he finds that he gains the confidence of his customers and his work is made easier in future selling efforts. Like everything else worth having in this world, there is only one certain way of acquiring a priceless treasure, and that is by hard work. Once having acquired such a treasure, hard work is still necessary to retain it. How then does a salesman go about acquiring such goodwill? Here are some essential principles which a salesman must follow. He must be honest and straightforward in all his business dealings. He must never make a promise which cannot be honored. He must be punctual. He must honor all obligations, no matter how small. He must be trustworthy, reliable, and sincere in all matters. The principles mentioned above are rules of everyday life and do not need any further emphasis. Let it be sufficient to say that if the person who wishes to accept selling as a career feels that he cannot follow the above mentioned principles, then he should immediately drop all idea of entering salesmanship and seek a career for which he is best suited. With the ever increasing commercial competition and constant search for fresh markets, ambitious and far-sighted salesmen are being given opportunities that never existed before. And in this widening field of opportunity, education plays a very important part. Special training is given nowadays to procedure completed by salesmen. Every facility is given to the salesman by his company. He is treated with all the respect and consideration of his position demands. He travels in every comfort and the best hotel accommodation is provided. All that will enable him to maintain the status and dignity of the company which he represents is done. The salesman must never forget that he is the sole representative of the company and that the reputation of the company depends on him. His manner of approach and contact must be beyond blame. He must be capable of making quick and sound decisions. His business intelligence must be equal to that of not only the customer but the competitor, who quite possibly may not be fair in his dealings. In other words, the salesman must be completely self dependent and fully alive to every possible contingency. The remuneration for his highly specialized work is usually commensurate, and education and degree of ability is required. In addition, there is the reward of a life full of variety and never ending interest. In case the salesman represents a company which has branches all over the world, he will have the opportunity of visiting many countries in the world. Thank you, students.